Hello, thanks for joining us today. Welcome to a new uploaded video. Are you wondering how to decorate your own apartment? Watch this video and discover how simple and beautiful decorating details that turn these home interiors into a charming, decorated universe in which colors, textures, pieces of furniture, and decorative accessories come together to create an adorable decor. Here, you will learn how simple it is to turn your living space into a stylish living space with the help of a well-chosen color or a decorative accessory. So, watch our video if you are striving for a simple, uncomplicated but stylish and modern interior and get inspired. Look at this simple but beautiful apartment decor with modern open space, with a large modern painting, ceramic vases, and several well-placed candles. You can create a beautiful home interior. What do you think about this modern apartment decor? The owner seems happy with the design. No wonder why. A beautiful design always makes you joyful and happy. Beautiful contemporary master bedroom. Just look how several well-chosen colors, the color of the ottoman and the color of the painting, change the look of the decor. Once again, with simple decorative accessories such as modern paintings and large ceramic vases, you can create a beautiful decor. Just look at this fabulous master bedroom decor. Gorgeous open space with a stylish modern living space. The beautiful armchairs and the decorative pillows in pastel color make the decor to radiate. Here in this image you can see a stunning minimalist style master bedroom where several pastel colors break the monotony of a neutral background. Quite large and bright open space where once again several well-chosen colors and decorative accessories give a fabulous look to the overall decor. Just two colors, the purple of the decorative pillows and chairs and the green hues of the modern painting, changes the look of this modern open space in Scandinavian style design. A well-chosen accent color gives the tone to the whole decor, like in this sequence where blue changed the look of a neutral decor. Here you can see how important it is to take in consideration every detail of your home interior. In this case, two beautiful classic oil paintings and two charming table lamps perfectly complement the decor of this traditional style bedroom. Beautiful open space decor where every detail from decorative accessories to color and furniture pieces come together, creating a stylish home interior. More creative and inspiring decorating ideas in this amazing video. Watch the video and get inspired by these decorating ideas that will change the look of your living room. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.